Staging a home isn't for everybody. In fact, it's not for most of my clients that sell their home. Very few clients do we actually hire a stager to come in, bring in furniture to sell a home. I'll show you a couple photos here of what that looks like. The before and afters are fantastic, and it really makes a difference. There are very few occasions, however, where that's going to make sense. The majority of my clients will have an interior designer take a look at the home, give you an idea of what needs to be moved, what needs to be taken out, decluttered, and we go through the typical staging ideas of getting the house ready: decluttering, cleaning, painting, touch up, things like that. If you have any questions, you're excited about getting your home on the market and wonder, hey, based on my house, should I hire a professional stager to come in and bring furniture in, or just do those other things? Feel free to reach out anytime.